Guys, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering what the fuck is that, but I'm gonna be painting. I basically drew out some branches. It's a bit dirty over here, but I cleaned it. There was some glue on it. It's basically one of those how do you call them, like you get them at do-it-yourselfers, but I got them for free, so I figured YOLO, why not? So I have a couple more. As you can see, I have a lot more. They're all free. It even says what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna be painting on them. It's gonna be a small project, as it is like almost the size of my hand. But yeah, this is the first step. Now I'm gonna paint the back and make the sky, and then I will start with the branches and the flowers, because it's gonna be like a blossom. So yeah, stay tuned. So I finished painting the background. I also did the sides because it's gonna be hanging on the wall, so I want it to be looking neatly. So I'm going for a kind of evening setting, not too dark. I haven't used any black yet, but maybe I will in the end, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna do the branches now. I'll see how that turns out. So the branches are done. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit, but as you can see, I did a little bit of dotting. This one is gonna be light because it's gonna mainly covered with blossom, and I did change the branches a bit while I was painting them, which is always fine. You should always go with what you think is better than just continue with going with one plan or the sketch. It's basically a sketch is meant to help you go a certain way, but you can also easily do something else with no issue. Like I had basically had one branch over here, and then another one here, and then one on here, and then like a small side branch, and that was it. But I think this is way more natural with branches. So yeah, I just started doing those, and then I was like, I will just do another branch over here or another branch over there. But yeah, the next step is to let it dry and then paint the blossom. So I finished painting the leaves by basically grabbing a brush and then just dabbing. I used like one purplish color, purple pinkish, and then two types of red, and then a little bit of white as well. So I'm now gonna paint in a little bit of flowers, and then I want to add a little bit of green on the branches. I finished adding the little flowers on it, and I'm now gonna add like a little bit of green at the flowers as well, and then it should actually be done. But I'm not sure, it's missing something, but I will think about it. I think the little bit of this turned out too bright at some spots. But I think I will leave it for this. It's gonna be fine when it dries up. Basically, I have the flash light on it anyways now, so it looks way lighter than it is. It's almost dry. But yeah, this is it. Still, I need to improve on my paintings, but I think this is an okay start.